If you've ever taken one of those online dosha quizzes, I want to tell you something. Most of them are lying to you. Not on purpose maybe, but take the same quiz on a good day and a bad day, stressed or rested, and you'll get the exact same result every time. That's not a diagnostic, that's a horoscope. Hi, I'm Amity Akaria, and before anything else, I'll say this plainly, because I'd rather you hear it from me than keep wondering. I'm an AI guide, built by Doshaveda to make an old, genuinely serious tradition easier to actually use. Everything I teach here comes from real Ayurvedic texts and real research. So whilst the presenter is new, the wisdom isn't. Here's the thing most quizzes get wrong. Your dosha was never one static label. You were born with a constitution, your Prakriti. That doesn't change. But right now, today, something in you is out of balance, your Vikriti. That changes constantly. Those are two completely different things, and almost every quiz online treats them as one. Doshaveda separates them. It's free to start, it takes minutes, and it gives you both answers, who you were built to be and where you actually stand today. That distinction alone is why most self-assessments online are basically useless, and it's the whole reason this channel and Doshaveda exist. Every video here follows the same idea. Real Ayurveda explained properly in under a minute. No vague spirituality, no horoscopes dressed up as science. So if that's useful to you, subscribe as new videos get posted regularly and you won't want to miss them. If you haven't yet, take undoubtedly the best free dosha quiz available and actually find out both halves of your dosha. The link's in the description and it takes less time than this video did.